So if you're like me and you don't really understand ISO or what's involved, I thought it'd be good to speak to Dave and see, get a bit more detail about the different ISO certifications. So if we start off with the ISO 14001.
Okay.
What is the ISO 14001? The most important things and what needs to be in place?
So, great question. Did you rehearse that?
No.
ISO 14001 is the environmental standard for environmental management systems. So what tends to happen for a lot of our clients is 14001 is part of another system, be it quality or information security or whatever. But if you are doing 14001, probably the most important part of that process is your environmental aspects and impacts. And what that means in English is what impact on the environment are the activities or aspects of your business doing? So are you involved in nasty chemicals and hazardous waste and stuff like that? Or are you discharging water or effluent into different places? What controls have you got? Have you got big heavy lorries or cars or whatever? Is there a risk of environmental pollution? And what it does is it helps you to manage and control those environmental impacts with a view down to reducing them. So it's probably the most important standard at the moment, but it's dropped right down the list because of bigger organisations can work framework agreements. Those kind of people are looking for information security, which is fine, which is great. That's as important as well. But given where we are with the climate crisis that we've got at the moment, the challenge, the more we can do with environmental management, the better. And good environmental management is just good cost management. And I mean, what I mean by that is if you're aware that you are printing, 1,000 pages a month and using 150 quid's worth of toner, you might want to start reducing it. So you could put in double-sided printing, change it to draft quality printing when you need to, using recycled paper. There's lots of little things that can be done that then add up to making a significant contribution to reducing your environmental aspects and impacts. How's that? Does that make sense?
Good.
Cool, thank you.
A bit more of an understanding now.